Hi, right, for this final week, all you need to do is to create a website showing examples of the work you've been doing throughout the year. So the best way to do this is to log into Adobe Express. You should have an account by now. If not, there is a video in this week's Elements showing you how to register. You'll know how to do that. But go to Adobe Express, make sure you've got an account and log in. And then when you get started or when you get logged in, what you need to do is, let me just show you. All you need to do is log in and then make sure you get this screen. Makes it easier. Click enable, get rid of that. Click enable to make sure you've got everything, and you should get this screen. And then you can click on the plus sign here. You can either type in web page, there it goes, or you can scroll down from the options and have a look. I would just type in web page myself, and there you go. And then you've got the basis. Then you've got the basis of a website. So just add your title there. So I'm going to just put portfolio or something like that, if I can spell it properly. End of year, something like that. Then you can put a subtitle. I don't know if you really need that, but that's up to you. And then if you just scroll down, you can see immediately get lots of options to put photos, text. You can add buttons, you can add GIFs. You can do loads of stuff with this. The advantage to using this is it's free. So you could actually use it as an online portfolio to show to employers and to show to colleagues, to show to university or whatever you want to do. And the second thing is, if you do buy a domain name, I think you can actually link this to your domain name. So Adobe basically hosts your website for free, but you better check that in terms of costs. But I don't think it costs you anything to do that. But the third advantage to it is, once I've got some messages, is it's extremely easy to use and you get a professional website. So if I just very quickly show you what you can do, if I pick on that and I'm just going to type in gaming, there we go. And let's just pick a picture, any picture, and there you go. Straight away you've got a nice, rather flashy background once it loads in the image properly, and then you can scroll down and add whatever you want. I could put another button in there. I don't know, click here. The most everybody says click here, and then put something there. I want something there. So I don't know. Let's put bbc.co.uk. I don't know, anything. /news. So you can see you've got a little button there. If I click on that, you know where that'll take me. But then you can click on there and you can pick on photo, and you can pick on more and add whatever you need to do. You can move it around, whatever, and then you've got your option to add text as well. So you can type in, this is a heading, so you should be able to get the idea from this. And when you've finished, what you basically got is a very good looking website, which is very easy to make. So your task is to create a portfolio basically of everything you've done for this term. Add examples of your work, put in if you can any animations. I think you might have the option to put in movies. If I just look down, I'm not quite sure, but video, there you go, you've got a video. So you can see what you can do with adding animations in. Put a little bit about yourself and put something about what you've learned this term. By talking about it and by writing what you've done, it helps to reinforce that learning process. Okay, and then that is basically all you need to do for this task. When you've finished, the best thing to do is I would check it, click the play button. You can see what you get. That's the preview button really, and then share it. And then you can either publish to the web, and I would click publish to the web, put some information in, and then it'll say create link. It'll create a link. And then put that link in the forum, and I will have a look at that during the Christmas period and see what you've done. All right, okay, good luck. I hope you enjoy it. You'll be glad to know that in the new year, when you get back, there's going to be a lot more emphasis on animation and less on graphic design, more on the actual gaming side of it now, because now you know the foundations of graphic design and also how to promote yourself through things like this portfolio and a website. All right, so good luck and enjoy it.